to my channel. So today's video is my everyday makeup look. Although I don't usually do makeup every day, but whenever I do put on some makeup, this is basically what I do. Except for some occasions where you have to be extra. Other than that, most of the days when I do put on makeup, this is the exact same look. Okay, so first you have to prep your skin. I have already sprayed on some rose water as my toner and used my Neutrogena moisturizer and put on some lip balm to moisturize my lips and skin. During my simple makeup days, I do not put on foundation. Actually, I only use concealer to hide my under eyes and all of the discoloration on my skin and just to make myself look more awake. So I use my e.l.f. concealer, which is in the shade Fair. This is actually really nice, blends really well and all. I just put some dots. I do first half of my face, try to put a little bit on my discoloration and stuff. Now I'm gonna blend this with a makeup brush. This is actually an eyeshadow brush, but it's very fluffy and white, so I really like using it for buffing in my concealer. I usually sometimes use makeup sponge, but you have to wet that and whatnot. So I just find it more easier to use a brush because it does the work more quickly, I feel like. And I know I look crazy right now, so is done. Now we're gonna set everything. I'm gonna use my Maybelline powder palette. What is it called? Clear Glow All-in-One Shine Free Cake Powder. This is also a powdered foundation basically, so it has coverage. But I rarely use this. I actually like to use translucent powder, but I'm gonna use this right now because this was the closest to me. So yeah. When I'm actually out of translucent powder or I don't take it with me when I'm traveling, I use this. Yeah, the face is set. Now we are going to contour and bronze this face. Usually I use a brush which is slightly slanted, but I have already used this a couple of times for contouring and bronzing, so I'm going to use this right now. First I take some bronzer. I don't like to do heavy bronzing and contouring, just a little bit to bring some warmth to my face really. I like to get it over here and then around my temples and forehead, and the remaining I put it on my eyelid and across my nose to give it a touch of warmth. Then when I'm contouring, I like to squeeze this to make it thinner. Use the contouring shade in my e.l.f. palette, and yeah, I just basically contour my jawline one by one and do the same thing with my cheeks, like a line. Very less. Honestly, I don't use it a lot. So yeah. And done. I will go in my brows. I used L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Designer. This was very expensive and I have the wrong shade. It's very light for me. It's like a very warm brown, so I use it very lightly. And even though I am blessed with natural brows, I still like to use it a little bit to make it a bit more defined, especially when I am in a desperate need for threading. So yeah, just this is my favorite part. I like to use the brush side to put my hair in place, and this also helps blend the pencil part really nicely. My brows are done as well. On my everyday makeup look, I like to use this mini palette from Maybelline. It is called the Color Sensational palette in the shade Rose Quartz Pink, and it has really beautiful shades. I have actually put this in one of my favorites because I really like it. I'm going to use this shade right here to highlight my brow bone and inner eye corner. Like, it just gives it a pop, really, which I love. The same thing on the other side. And the remaining I use on the tip of my nose and on my cupid's bow. I like to use the topaz shade on the middle of my eyelid, and then I mix the dark brown with the topaz shade, and on the corner. I'm really bad at explaining things and I can't talk, I'm so sorry, but yeah. And yeah, then I use the pink shimmer as my highlight. I don't use a lot of highlight during my everyday makeup, but I like it a little bit, obviously. And the last thing, I have an everyday lipstick, but it is a matte Nykaa lipstick in the shade Caramel Margarita, and it is like this. It's my favorite thing in the world. It's my favorite shade of lipstick. It's my favorite lipstick, and it smells amazing. Tap on my lips a little bit and get some of the lipstick, rub it on my fingers and use it as blush, so it's kind of like a cohesive look and it works. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below what kind of videos do you want to watch, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It's free, just do it. And if you are already subscribed, then click on the bell notification so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!